It seems like you've provided a list of chapters for a book or a course on system design. Each chapter likely covers a specific topic or system design problem. Here's a brief summary of each chapter based on its title. Chapter 1. Scale from zero to millions of users. This chapter likely covers strategies and best practices for scaling a system from an initial user base to handling millions of users. It may discuss scalability challenges, techniques for horizontal and vertical scaling, and strategies for optimizing performance and reliability. Chapter 2. Back-of-the-envelope estimation. This chapter probably focuses on techniques for making rough estimations of system parameters and requirements, such as storage capacity, throughput, and latency. It may cover methods like Fermi estimation and order of magnitude calculations. Chapter 3. A framework for system design interviews. This chapter likely provides a structured approach for tackling system design interview questions. It may include methodologies, frameworks, and tips for effectively solving system design problems, including requirements gathering, system decomposition, and trade-off analysis. Chapter 4. Design a rate limiter. This chapter may discuss the design and implementation of a rate-limiting system, which restricts the number of requests or operations a user can perform within a certain time frame. It may cover techniques for enforcing rate limits, handling bursty traffic, and mitigating abuse. Chapter 5. Design consistent hashing. This chapter probably explores consistent hashing, a technique used in distributed systems for partitioning data across multiple nodes while minimizing the amount of data movement during node addition or removal. It may cover the principles of consistent hashing and its applications in distributed caching and load balancing. Chapter 6. Design a key-value store. This chapter may delve into the design of a key-value store, a type of NoSQL database that stores data as key-value pairs. It may cover data modeling, storage, retrieval, consistency models, replication, and fault tolerance in key-value store systems. Chapter 7. Design a unique ID generator in distributed systems. This chapter likely discusses the design and implementation of a system for generating unique identifiers in distributed environments. It may cover techniques for generating globally unique IDs, handling concurrency, and ensuring idempotency. Chapter 8. Design a URL shortener. This chapter may explore the design of a URL shortening service, which converts long URLs into shorter, more manageable links. It may cover aspects such as URL encoding, storage and retrieval of mappings, scalability, and analytics. Chapter 9. Design a web crawler. This chapter probably discusses the design of a web crawler, a program that systematically browses the internet to index web pages and gather information. It may cover topics such as crawling strategies, politeness policies, distributed crawling, and content extraction. Chapter 10. Design a notification system. This chapter may focus on the design of a notification system for sending real-time notifications to users across various channels, e.g., email, SMS, push notifications. It may cover topics such as message queuing, delivery guarantees, and user preferences. Chapter 11. Design a news feed system. This chapter likely explores the design of a news feed system, which aggregates and delivers personalized content to users based on their interests and social connections. It may cover data modeling, content aggregation, ranking algorithms, and scalability considerations. Chapter 12. Design a chat system. This chapter may delve into the design of a real-time chat system for enabling one-on-one and group messaging between users. It may cover topics such as message routing, presence detection, message storage, and synchronization. Chapter 13. Design a search autocomplete system. This chapter probably discusses the design of a search autocomplete system, which suggests completions or predictions as users type search queries. It may cover techniques for indexing, query processing, caching, and ranking autocomplete suggestions. Chapter 14. Design YouTube. This chapter may explore the design of a video sharing platform like YouTube, covering aspects such as video ingestion, transcoding, storage, content delivery, recommendation systems, and scalability. Chapter 15. Design Google Drive. This chapter likely discusses the design of a cloud-based file storage and synchronization service like Google Drive. It may cover topics such as file storage, synchronization protocols, access control, versioning, and collaboration features. Chapter 16. The Learning Continues. This chapter may provide additional resources, further reading, and suggestions for continuing to learn about system design. It may include references to research papers, blogs, online courses, and communities for system designers.